guys, it's me, Liz. I'm actually exploding TNT. It feels so nice to finally reveal my voice. Yeah, I randomly decided that it's finally time to let you guys in on the secret. I'm sorry, TNT, you got me. I didn't mean to prank your fans. I was forced to do it because Pink Sheep told me he would stop saying my hair looks like tomato soup if I did it.
It's totally fine. I think it's time to let everyone know I'm the real Exploding TNT. All those theories about Failboat and Exploding TNT being the same person, they were correct. I'm sorry, TNT. I didn't mean to do this. I was just trying to build up some suspense because so many people think that we're the same person. I hope you're not angry.
Yo, that's right, fam. This whole time the almighty Pink Sheep was the real Exploding TNT. I bet nobody saw that coming.
Hello, Daddy and Uncle and Grandma. My name is Purple Shep, and I have been Uncle Mouse Man all along.
Purple Shep, you aren't even wearing the right skin.
Oh. Okay, bye.
Guys, relax. TNT said he would do a voice reveal when he hits 5 million subscribers. Let's just make sure he never finds out what just happened. He'll be, very angry. TNT, you know it's not April Fool's Day today, right? I mean, it's not even close.
Hey everyone, it's Liz, and just to confirm, I am not actually TNT. I'm sorry if I pranked any of you. But I do have my own channel now where I'm going to start posting daily videos. And TNT will pop in from time to time. My channel link is in the description. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. And always remember, I am not a real lizard. See you soon.